Hi everyone. So I have Azure Blue here and she's sleeping. I was just giving Azure some water because she has the bad case of hiccups. So I gave her some water. She went back to sleep. And I was talking to Nanny about it because Nanny couldn't make it today. So I was talking to Nanny about it and she was telling me to wet a brown piece of paper bag and put on her forehead, and that helps take away the hiccups. I guess that remedy works, guys, because she hasn't been hicking up since she had the water and I put the brown piece of paper bag on her head. But there she is. I know she's so much more comfortable now because before she was just miserable crying and hicking up. Well, there's Azure, and I want to show you guys what I'm up to with my sculpt. I sculpted one hand and I started another. Let me get it. Hold on 1 minute. So this is what I'm up to with my sculpt with the hands. I still have to do the arms a little fatter, but this is the first hand I've done. And this is the back of the hand. It's coming along. It's coming along. This one I just started, so I have to finish molding it and put the fingers on. Yeah, so this is the hand to the dolls. Just wanted to show you that. And there's Azure Blue again. So I'll talk to you guys later. Later. All right, talk to you later.